Hello, welcome back. Hopefully you guys are feeling pretty well acquainted with how it all works. If you're not, please let me know. We are in our third week of school, so by now you should be starting to get the hang of how things go. But of course, I'm here to help if that's not the case for you. We are in Unit 1, Session 2 this week. Please make sure you're watching the videos. They're both linked, well, not both. They are linked both here in the updates and then also in our session. You'll find our session. This is obviously last week's update, but you'll find our session here in the update or over here in materials, fall semester. If you, for some reason, joined us late or you weren't around the first week, please make sure that you do our orientation for our class. I still have quite a few assignments missing from here. Make sure that you do all 4 of them. They're all 4 super important. If you're having any trouble with them, please let me know. But yeah, you need to do those really before you move on to anything else in the course. So make sure you do that. We are in Unit 1, Session 2 this week. We are going to continue reading There Will Come Soft Rains by Ray Bradbury, which is one of my absolute, I just love Ray Bradbury. So this is the first thing that you guys see here is a optional community building discussion. You do not have to participate. You will not get points taken away for not participating, but I will throw you some extra credit points for participating. So if that's of interest to you, please do. It's just for fun. It's just to chat and talk and answer a funny question to see what people think. So this week we're going to be reading an article that talks about strategies on working through boring texts. You guys will encounter boring texts and you're going to have to figure out how to push through them or at least texts that you don't find interesting. So read that, discuss that. We're going to be continuing There Will Come Soft Rains by reading all the way through and then answering some big idea questions. You will be taking a trusted adult survey. Just the only thing that means is that if you have made a connection with a teacher or you feel like you're going to make a connection with a certain teacher, let us know. You can pick more than one teacher. If you're not there yet, you're like, I don't have any connection with any teacher yet, or I don't think I'm going to have a connection, there's an option for you there as well. So make sure you do that. It's for participation points this week. And then the last thing here is just to let me know how things are going. If you are having it's great for you, let me know. If you're having a hard time with anything, let me know. It's your opportunity to let me know if there's anything going on outside of school that you want me to know about. Of course, if you don't want me to know about anything going on outside of school, you don't have to let me know. It's totally fine. But this is like a good temperature check for everyone to figure out how we're doing. Very last thing is going to be our meeting on Wednesday. The link is here. Well, it's going to be in the update. We have had some changes with Zoom. Jeffco is now only going to allow Jeffco students with a Jeffco login to participate in Zoom due to security reasons. So if you are Southwest E-School or Dolores, you will not be able to participate in Zoom meetings. We may change over to Google. If that happens, we'll let you know. We'll update the link. But just stay tuned for more information on that. We will let you know what we are planning to do. All right, cool. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, have a great week.